Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Peloton bike easy guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Peloton bike. Lay out all the parts and tools included in the package for easy access. Start with the base of the bike and carefully place it on a flat surface. Attach the stabilizers to the bottom of the bike frame. Secure them using the provided screws and a wrench. Make sure everything is tightened properly to ensure stability. Next, lift the bike's frame and connect the seat post. Insert the seat post into the designated slot and adjust it to your preferred height. Next, attach the seat to the seat post. Use the bolts provided and tighten them securely. Now, move to the handlebars. Attach the handlebar post to the top of the bike frame. Just like with the seat, ensure it is secured and can be adjusted to your comfort. Locate the monitor mount and connect it to the handlebars. Ensure the monitor is facing forward and secure it properly. Now it's time to connect the power cord. Plug one end of the power cord into the bike and the other into a wall socket. After that, turn on the bike using the power button located on the monitor. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your profile. This will include entering your height, weight, and fitness goals. Once your profile is complete, you can connect your Wi-Fi. Find your Wi-Fi network and enter the password when prompted. After connecting, take a moment to explore the options on the screen. You can now set up your preferred metrics. Adjust the resistance and speed settings according to your preference. Finally, adjust the bike settings for your comfort. Position the seat and handlebars to ensure a correct riding posture. Now you're ready to enjoy your Peloton bike. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.